If your Tesla Cybertruck display is showing a black screen when using your CarPlay adapter, don't panic. Statistically, over 85% of these display glitches are software-related and don't require a service visit. Let's walk through the diagnosis process to get your interface back online safely. Start by performing a soft reset of the infotainment system while the vehicle is safely parked. If the screen stays black, check these 3 common hardware issues that affect third-party adapters. Since CarPlay in a Tesla runs through the web browser, clearing your cache is a vital step. Compare the features of your adapter against the native Tesla UI to see if the troubleshooting is worth the effort. As shown here, a simple soft reset solves the vast majority of black screen instances. If a scroll wheel reset fails, try a full vehicle power cycle through the safety menu. Keep these few items in your glove box to handle connection issues on the road. Remember that Tesla software updates can occasionally break third-party compatibility temporarily. Hopefully your screen is back to normal. Hit subscribe for more Cybertruck troubleshooting playbooks.